Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to use the CAD's Radial Dimension tool. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're into the actual program here. I'm going to quickly add a circle here. I'll make it 200 just to simplify the actual tool for us. I'm going to add it to the center, and here we go, we've got our tool. Now in the previous videos we looked at some of these other settings for seeing the dimensions and having a nice preview of it. In today's video we're going to be looking at the radial dimension. So this will pretty much be from the center of this outwards. Now it is important with this tool to first select your shape. So you can either just click on it or drag the selection box onto it. Then I'm going to go select the radial dimension, and then next up I want to click on an edge where I want it to be displayed. So this is going to take it from the center to wherever I click. So let me just go to maybe top right, click there, and then we can see it takes it to that point where I've clicked, and then we've got a nice little radial 100, so we know it's 100 from the center point all around. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the radial dimension. Rather straightforward, but a very handy tool nonetheless. Well, otherwise, before we head on to the next video, if we go here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.